A lot of ladies say they know how to maintain their hair, but actually it's not really like that. This is probably what you guys will do sometimes from the middle. When I said don't start from the top, yes, some they don't start from the top, some they start from the middle, and it's still hard to go through because there's too much hair at one strand, big strand together. It's very hard. You take some. If you want to start from the middle, start the comb in, take some out like this. Look, this tip. Then start like this. Filter, like this. If you want to start from the middle, don't at one time stuck inside. A lot of hair is stuck inside. It's very hard, very hard to go through. At least you need to use your comb, take some hair out, easy. Look, right? And every position you start combing it. It's very easy to go through the hair. This is the wig. Don't expose your hair in the sunlight for too long time. When the hair is dry, it's very hard to go through. And don't use the blow dryer to blow dry the hair. Don't do that. It will just make the hair, the cuticle will open and it's very hard to go through. Keep a distance. If you want to use the blow dryer, keep a distance. This one. And this is very basic and important like this. Right? It's very, don't go at one time, don't go, a lot of ladies, they will just like, let me show you. So when you want to comb the hair, a lot of ladies, they will do this. This is very big bundle of hair at one time. They like to do this. It's very hard. You know, too much hair at one time is very hard to go through. Even our own hair is very hard to go through. Don't do this, too much at one time. Make some out, you see? Take some out, easy. Easy to go through. Easy to go through. Because it's not too much hair at one time. Look, it's very easy to go through. Look. Do you understand my point? Very easy to go through. Don't twist the hair in a big bundle and it's very hard to go through. Always start from the bottom, slowly from the bottom to the middle. Of course, if you want to start from the middle, just make sure you don't twist the hair at one big bundle. It's very hard to go through. From the bottom, take some out. And it's easy to go through. It's very basic tip, but a lot of ladies, they don't follow. See? Small, easy to go through. And my comb is not big. Look, it's not very wide comb. My comb is narrow, but you comb the hair in the correct way. That is very easy to go through. And once you comb the hair, from the beginning you comb the hair from the big bundle. From the beginning it's already wrong. Then it's very hard. It's very hard for you to comb the hair, the wig or the bundles again. So you need to detangle it from the start, from the bottom. And you need to use some hair oil. from the bottom, start. Use some hair oil, spray some hair oil from the start. To make the cuticle at the bottom smooth. A lot of ladies, they don't follow. So I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. Very big. I keep mentioning, I keep emphasizing big bunch of hair. Don't comb the hair in a big bunch of hair. It's very hard to go through. You see from the, see, easy. This is a lace front wig. The lace front wig, easy, slowly. You take some small hair out to comb. Take some small hair out in every position, and then we start smooth, very smooth for you to comb the hair fast. A lot of ladies, they don't follow. And don't expose your hair in the sunlight very long time. Don't blow dry your hair at a short distance. Don't blow dry your hair at a short distance. It will damage the hair very easily. I hope this video can help you guys.